Patrick, I've mailed you a doc. Print 2 copies and bring them. Do not mess this up.
Okay, sir.
Everything okay?
I need to print a doc for the boss, but this printer is not working.
Calm down, Patrick. Let's call Printer Tales.
Hello, this is XXXX from Printer Tales. How can I help?
We have a printer offline issue.
Follow these steps carefully. Go to Settings, and navigate to Printers and Scanners.
Okay, done.
Now, from the list of printers, select your printer.
Okay.
Then click on Set as Default Printer button. You're all set.